Hello and welcome. Today we're excited to introduce you to Emicool's District Cooling Solution, a smart and eco-friendly way to keep indoor spaces comfortably cool. This process begins at the district cooling plant, where water is chilled, then distributed through a network of pipes. This chilled water is essentially for cooling the building's internal water supply at energy transfer stations that serve each property. A plate heat exchanger helps by moving chilled water between plates to cool the building's water supply. Once cooled, this water flows through the building's pipes to fan coil units, FCUs. Inside these units, coils cool the air, which fans then circulate into each room. After the water cools the air, it returns to the plate heat exchanger to be chilled again, keeping things comfortable around the clock. Emicool is responsible for delivering chilled water to the plate heat exchanger, while the building's facilities management oversees the maintenance and the air conditioning systems within the building. Each apartment is assigned to a specific cooling capacity, measured in tons of refrigeration, ensuring a comfortable environment whenever the thermostat is turned on. Maintenance guidelines for efficient AC operation in your unit. Let's explore some essential maintenance tips to help keep your AC system running efficiently and in top condition, whether for you or your certified HVAC technician to consider. 1. Set the FCU thermostat to 24 degrees Celsius for a balance of comfort and energy savings. 2. Clean air conditioning diffusers and filters regularly to keep the air healthy. 3. In any signs of ceiling leaks are noticed, fix these right away to avoid losing cooled air and prevent water damage. 4. Make sure ducts are sealed and insulated properly to reduce air leakage and boost efficiency. 5. Perform routine maintenance, such as draining FCU coils, cleaning strainers, and inspecting port valves and bearings. 6. Check electrical connections and drain lines regularly to catch any issues early. 7. If you notice condensation on ceilings, then open access panels, drain, and clean the lines as needed. 8. Always check the functionality of all AC components during maintenance to make sure everything is working properly and running smoothly. Together, we ensure a comfortable and environmentally friendly cooling experience that meets the highest standards of quality and reliability.